Have you ever heard of an underwater lake? Be making saltwater jars. See? What you would need is 2 glasses of jars, 2 bottles of water, blue food coloring, red food coloring, salt, and a spoon. Step 1. Pour some blue food coloring inside the water bottle and shake it. Shake it more. Step 2. Put some red food coloring inside the other water bottle. Shake it. Step 3. Go pour salt into the red bottle of water until the salt can't disappear anymore. Well, the salt disappeared, so we need more salt. See the salt on the bottom? It can't dissolve anymore. Now that's enough salt. Step 4. Now we pour blue 1/2 and the red 1/2. Now step 5. Add the red salty water inside the blue jar. You need a spoon. Pour it in until it's full. Step 6. Do the same thing, but not the salty water. And pour it in. Step 7. We wait. When we added salt to the red water, it made it heavier. When we put the red in the blue, it mixed up like the first one. But when we put the blue water on top of the red water, the blue water did not mix with the red because the blue water is light. Red water is heavy from the salt. And that's how underwater lakes work. See? Want to hear a joke? What does 2 oceans do when they meet? They wave!